Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So we are here in southern Arizona. We're at the Millville Petroglyph Discovery Trail, which is all the way south in Arizona, just a little bit north of the Huachuca Mountains, Sierra Vista area. Way back in the 1800s, the late 1800s, whenever this was all created here, the little town of Millville, town of Charleston, and that was before Tombstone ever existed. 1877 is when Ed Shefflin came out here. He discovered silver. He made the mine. He called it the Tombstone Mine. When he done that, they decided to name the town after his mine, the town of Tombstone. So it was late 1870s to 1880s is when they started building Tombstone, and the Huachuca Mountains, which is right behind me, that's where they got all the trees to make the lumber to build the town of Tombstone and the town of Charleston, Millville, also the town of Fairbank. The lumber come from here. So it's kind of all created back in 1877 plus. Before that, there was not much out here. They had the Huachuca military base over here, which I think was the Buffalo Soldiers. Of course, over in all these mountains back in here, you have the Dragoons back behind these. Tombstone is right behind these mountains. The Dragoons and all this area was full of Apache. So it was real dangerous out here because people started traveling in here because of the silver. And when they did that, the Apache would slaughter them. Some Apaches got slaughtered, but both ways it kind of fought back and forth, and it was real dangerous. And then, of course, when Tombstone got in, there was a lot of cowboys that came in there, and they was dangerous. So they would kill you for your silver, gold, whatever you had, because there was silver, gold, copper, all kinds of stuff out in these mountains. Very valuable. Like Ed Shefflin, after he created the mine, they ran it for so many years, and he actually sold his share. So there's a lot of history out here. We're going to take a walk out here to Charleston, Millville, and check it out. So let's get going. So right here, if you want, you can actually pause the screen and you can read the information on this sign. Check it out. But there you go.
Safety zone. No shooting, discharging firearms or other weapons, including arrows, is prohibited in the area beyond this sign.
No shooting firearms or other weapons out here.
I think I got sand in my shoe.
So I'm not packing my gun because guns ain't allowed out here. Even though I think I should be able to. But
for protection.
You know.
What if you run across somebody that's got a gun and they're going to shoot you? You got to be able to protect yourself, or a wild animal.
San Pedro Adopt a Trail program right there.
To me, that's kind of like taking away some of your rights. If you're out here wandering around and a mountain lion or a bear or something come up on you, you can't protect yourself because you're not allowed to have your firearm on you.
Exactly.
Or some hoodlum dum-dum with a gun that wants to do something stupid. Can't protect yourself.
So what is this over here? It looks like a concrete foundation.
Somebody had a house or something back up in here.
There's a big old foundation right there or something. This I'm sure was later in the years made.
Had a little building right here.
And there's the old El Paso Southwestern Railroad. That's what that is going right along there.
Oh, there's some kind of building or a house.
Yeah.
There's a little building like right there, like a little storage building right there.
I seen the little, it's like steps or something, I don't know.
Yeah, then there's something back yonder. Yeah, they had something here.
Yeah, there's another one right there.
Interesting. We didn't see.
Some idiots has been here.
Yeah.
Doing graffiti. There's idiots everywhere. Yeah, I don't know what this is, but oh, this was a tower, I'm sure. This is the 4-leg post of a tower.
Oh, yep, it is.
And then the tower legs was bolted to this right here. That's what that was.
Then we had something back here.
A tower or a windmill, one or the other.
Something else right here that was something like that too. Ow, something's sticking me in my sock.
Yeah, that's like a well, I would imagine right there. It's filled to the top, whatever it is. Right there's rocks. But that's well casing, I would say. I don't know.
There's a big old concrete thing. That maybe this is part of the windmill.
Could have been. But yeah, that's the El Paso Southwestern Railroad. It actually was in the 1900s up to about 1960, I believe, is when it went out.
Cactus sparrow. Sparrow cactus.
Oh, look at that.
Ain't that pretty? I'd like to have that in my yard.
Pretty cool. See, check out these fish hooks on there. I mean, you could actually, and they probably have, used those for fish hooks. You can see how they hook. Like, that's a real good one right there.
That's pretty cool.
There's another concrete walkway, looks like. And another little foundation. There's all kinds of stuff out in here. Okay, we need to get back to our trail. Okay, here we're coming up on a bench in case you want to take a break. Welcome, Millville and Charlston Petroglyph Discovery Trail. There is actually petroglyphs out here, so we're going to find them. We're fixing to drop down in the wash, a big wash.
Yep.
Now, this would be fun on the bike. Okay, here, look at these stairs. You can go down the stairs. I'll go down the dirt bike track. I wish I could ride out here, but you're not allowed to ride out here. Pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Here's some more stairs
steps.
here, or one step. So here we're at a sign, Petroglyph Discovery Trail, San Pedro Trail, and Millville Trail. So that goes to the Millville mines up there.
We're gonna go to the left.
We're gonna go to the Petroglyph Trail first. Go this way. Let's see what's out here. Another bench. Rock Art Study Area. Please do not touch, shoot, or add messages to the prehistoric rock. Yeah, exactly. Don't be an idiot. Graffiti is a form of vandalism. So what's this up here? Is this petroglyphs?
So it looks like.
Yeah, it is. Cool beans. And these are actually close. Hopefully you guys can see that. They're getting so old.
Mm-hmm. Where's that one that was on that picture? I'd like to see the one that has like the square-looking Indian with the deer.
Well, it could be in this. It's kind of hard to see this.
Yeah, it is.
There's probably more all up through these rocks. Oh, I see some more over here. There's a person.
Okay. Oh, cool.
I did not know this was going to be out here. This close. Yeah, look at there. It's like a person on that one. That's insane.
That's cool.
Could be rattlesnake out here too.
Looks like something on that rock right there where they like
It
etched,
looks like it, yeah, I can tell.
etched it.
They're so old and worn. Eventually they'll be gone. You know?
Yeah.
See any more up in there
I'm looking, trying
on
to.
them rocks?
Well, there's trails up in here. They has to be.
Yeah, you would think with the trails, it's because the trails go to some of them, maybe. Oh, that's pretty cool. Around 2,000 years ago, people in southern Arizona began to grow crops and make ceramic pottery. Archaeologists call these people Hohokam. Their way of life collapsed around AD 1450, probably due to drought and warfare.
Okay, so that's petroglyph. That's the same thing we just checked out.
So it shows petroglyphs both ways to
Yeah.
let you know there's some more this way to the left. That's cool. And then Millville Trail is that way.
Straight ahead.
So we'll go petroglyphs first. Let's say, area closed, do not enter. And some idiot tore the sign down. Tore this down.
Probably a mine up here.
Probably.
Or
Look at that
in here
rock.
somewhere. Which
That's
this
like-
fence does not block it off super good.
Nah, that ain't gonna keep nobody out. Keep the honest people out. Just saying don't go in there because it's dangerous probably. There'll be all kinds of mines out in here. Yeah, that's what it is. Right there. Going straight down in the ground.
Well, they might have dug some of this up out of the ground, because look how it's telling's right there.
Yeah.
Wow.
Probably volcanic stuff, I'm sure, because there's a lot of volcanoes. Of course, they're all dormant in Arizona. I'll walk up here. Maybe I can get a better view of that hole in the ground.
Yeah, whatever this black rock is, it's like, looks like it's been burnt, and some of it looks like it got so hot it like almost turned into glass.
Yeah, because it looks melted. It's just far enough away you can see it, but you can't see down in it. And there's a pipe going through right there, a rusty pipe right over there.
Probably either water or ventilation.
Yeah.
There's a trail right here.
Yep.
We can go up that way.
Oh, there's a. Well, we gotta come back this way.
Oh,
We gotta go down to the
petroglyphs.
petroglyphs. It said it's this way.
We got sidetracked.
Watch that loose gravel. Then we get down here, it's sand. We are down in the San Pedro River bottom. Here's what we are.
I see some petroglyphs.
Petroglyphs, there's probably a sign telling about them. Yep. What do archaeologists do with petroglyphs?
Right up there, there's a zigzag rock.
Oh, wow, yeah, that's cool. Probably not going to see that on the video, guys, but it's way up there. We'll take some pictures.
Then there's another one that looks like it's got like
Oh,
markings of a giraffe. And then there's another one right next to it. It's kind of like a three-shaped piece rock.
That is so cool.
And then down here, there's a rock that's got a
You're finding tons of them.
almost octagon-looking thing, like where they used it to drill something,
Yeah,
like grind.
I'm not sure what that was. They're all over them rocks.
I'm sure there's more up in there, but we're not
Oh, yeah.
we're not climbing that today.
Yeah, if you climb all that, I'm sure you find lots of them up in
Yeah,
there.
we'll probably find lots of them.
Oh, there's the railroad. That's the railroad right there that we were seeing earlier, and look, there's a tunnel right there going under the railroad right there. Runs right along this side of the river. Actually, on the other side of that, right on the other side of it, is San Pedro River, which there's probably some water in it this time of year.
It's kind of hard to see, but there's a big rock right in there in front of me, right almost up top. It looks like it's got something, but the sun's not hitting it to see it just right.
Yeah, and it probably makes a difference of where the sun angle is, what you can see. Like in shadows and stuff, you wouldn't be able to see them as good, I'm sure. It's super cool. That's a pretty good climb right there anyway.
Yeah.
Dangerous too. You break your leg, some of them rocks roll, and they don't want you out there climbing that anyway and tearing up the petroglyphs. You knock over a rock and it breaks them, makes them roll down the hill or any of that, and kind of ruin it.
Oh, and then on that rock by where I said that little octagon thing is, if you look off to the right on that big rock, it looks like there's something on it. See it? On the
Yeah.
on the corner?
Yeah.
Then it almost looks like a dog or something.
I see a little horse or
It's not
cow.
a horse or something.
Yeah, I see that. It looks like a deer.
Yeah.
Because it's got horns, it looks like. But hopefully you guys can see that. If not, we'll show you some pictures of what we got here. So that's the end of this trail here. We got to go back up the other direction.
Show ya.
We'll go up toward the mine and check it out, but we'll end this video here, and then we'll make a part two of this, where you guys can see the rest of it instead of watching the whole long thing. But this is the Petroglyph Discovery Trail. So
Imagine what's back up in there.
No telling. I bet it's pretty cool up in there.
We're going to have to come back.
We gotta come back.
Amen.
God bless you all. Click that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Click that bell icon so you'll be notified when we put out a new video. And we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.